Yo abusia coronavirus vaccine no aye ready na time coronavirus yi eba ya megidi se na ewiase afa na nyina no na enipa bebre no ato like nipa bebre no nyina abam abu entini the only hope ana crofo bebre ewo eni se ye omo ehwe se omo betumi develop vaccine na ene vaccine no aba eye two companies a develop vaccine ye wo Moderna na ye wo Pfizer na adro no ni effectiveness level anase ni efficacy level no 95% na eno etre se uko school na se wo ye nsohwe na se unya 95% a megidi se wanya intini se yakase adoni effectiveness 95% a ne che very effective no obi asema obisa ye ene se na 5% na akane but ye nyina enim se adrobia eni ho a 100% effective eno ntina se ye hwe enro a ye running adverts ewo TV so ne ada social media platform na omutimi ekase ya na se bebre no mo kase se wo fa adro no na se wo ho anto wa ko na ko hu o doctor esanse enye adro ni nyina like adro bia no enhye da eni 100% effectiveness na ene eden na ye hwe se ne me ka no so many information so many theories ena enkofo throughout there about the vaccine na aye available no I believe se ne nyina no we were hoping for the vaccine to come and na vaccine na ba no so no so many theories na ene theories no ene other information na ewo background na enemy person me spend the time na ye no edi enkomo kakra nti edi kan no na me catch on say subscribe to your YouTube channel no ye KC network na going forward no ye pepese ye beji enkrofo bebre adwen because ye say adwen wo no eni obakofo etrim nti ene no menu edi nkomo na e free ochina eko no we begin talking to people na ye seeking omu opinion ye seek omu view about the vaccine. It has become so important whether to take it or not. Like you do be a or boy or say to do you want to be a welfare slave or a hungry free man? Do you want to be a welfare slave or a hungry free man? Nature say obabeye obeye akwa na wadidi ama ho ato na say opese you know we free na woni nam ho na che say ekomede nsusu no obi ani ho a odi usu no che say wankasa odi wa ho so entini megidi say this is a very important issue as I say you unravel whether to take it or not to take it because in kofu bebre no ya confused whether to take it or not to take it. Dedi Kano, I just want to tell you, say I'm not expert in the field, but it is an idea, you know, the very little information I am for din koma ye din ye pese ye so ye no share eno ntina nkonko ye mimko ano make say from time to time no ye beji nkrofo view or opinion about the vaccine omo nyina no ye nuanom be an expert in the health field omo be kire you know omo so no omo adwen probably they won't tell you whether to take it or not but they will educate you, they will, you know, help you to take an informed decision. Inti ene eno ho enkomo ena yedi. Ebusia inti ene ne yedi kan ya ye hwe no ye hwe ene woko ye African continent a megidi say African countries ni bebre na ebi dodo na adwen ayom say Africans ni ye nya guinea pigs ena omo de adro no aba teste yen se ne yedi kan ete ye no megidi say time coronavirus no eba ye there were information out there even as at the time no na vaccine no enye ready in so yet say some of the African countries you know are taking hold of some of the vaccines and I mean no me yedi say enye no because as at the time no na vaccine bia enye ready and the country it comes you know readily into the mind Guinea it is a Guinea for taking hold of the vaccine. This is one point I may say would take note. Say as of the time or no, na vaccine be available. Next discussion I was pese me no enya enon so say Africans ni yenye guinea pigs and almost the vaccine no aba testing. But the little I know ni say the vaccine has been tried and tested. And yes say afi na almost the vaccine no echo African continent and I say be African country be no test vaccine no time omo ye vaccine no it has been tried and the vaccine has been tested and nothing no motimi determine the efficacy level to be about 95%. Intini senke koba say afi na ye the vaccine no eko African continent ni akwa test and sana ye determine the efficacy level of the vaccine and no de nke betimi aka say e bi omo the Africans than the guinea pigs na omo test vaccine no African. So but me say the vaccine the one coming from Pfizer and Moderna, and it has been tried and tested in Tinya Afi na the vaccine no African continent na omakwa tested on the Africans. Kakra me person me de kan ho no say your share vaccine, the development of the vaccine it takes some time. And sometimes and bisa say adentina vaccine we say aye so quick, but the point I made can reason say see a cancer coronavirus omwa empanifo me di kan ate say it is in the family of the SARS. Now we SARS no so the SARS the vaccine for the SARS has been there already. It's like coronavirus this one, the novel coronavirus, is just taking the already existing vaccine and then building on it. And Nuntina ama and the establishment and I say the development of this vaccine akwakoye and temsa. The second way say so me person me twu adwin esiso enso so ni say you share the exigency of the coronavirus na you share the sika ekomu compared to the previous one. This one akwakoye say the money was readily available and people threw in the money, those who have them. I believe say Nkofu bebre our theory say omo throw sika no into it is for business purposes, but that one too can be there. But what we know ni say because of saying that the money was readily available they made the money available to the pharmaceutical industries say nebeya to me and making research into it now after coming out with vaccines as early as possible. Another point say normally say vaccine it takes it goes through stages into say you want crophobia you testing vaccine how effective the vaccine is. And this time around, there were a lot of people who were ready. They were so ready, say, for vaccine and testing and the people who the vaccine be testing this time around, they were ready compared to the previous ones. And I say Nkrofo in the one money wise, money was ready available, and those that you better test vaccine to know its efficacy, they were also readily available. And no so can intinema vaccine no omutimi expedite ne manufacturing. So abusiame raise and say you sure those days me gidi say tama you started a year cars say who to kwan akoba bia the number of hours I would enye the same hours and I would ebia say who free Accra akotamalea ebia obedi be 8 hours and I say 10 hours. If compared to those days, tamana you used to what on chine no me gidi say me ka what on chine a woni what on chine arrow glass tamani used to those cars no ebia say wo kwa it can take you so many hours. And so a science technological advancement in science for no atimi speed up and near my na kwakwaya contem brantem intini say wo ko ba bia it doesn't take you much longer time and no akwakodru me gidi say the same principle is applicable here, because first na things were through and then nyama aye so faster ya first nyama kwan afa so awoye bibia eche enso so na no aye so quick and Ghana first ye si nyama ye to ye boas ye si nyama na ya hata wawiem enso en Nkofu bebre use a washing machine ebinum use blender na say for say those equipment have been there through scientific invention and advancement and nyama bi are readily available. It means speedy up nyama, so it is no wonder say they've been able to expedite the availability of the vaccine and I said the manufacturing of the vaccine. There's another point I'm a person say Africans we are making so much noise. Ama me say brigade aba bekasa say Africans we can't even manufacture and nyama bi emayen ho ntinif say we not take the vaccine. Yen konkoda me binom so aba out aba react maybe can say they should take their vaccine. This and say without the vaccine in Africa we feel the impact of the coronavirus. Because so we share a viasia for nyina say na ye kan this particular virus a viasia for nyina and the viasia for nyina no say over 96 million so cases now over 96 million if viasia for nyina with about 2.6 million death cases just a viasia for nyina is social US and US ekitabaye over 24 million. But so the total Africa I'm say the whole African continent cases are yenya so far 3 million pe. Say yenko bia we share other states say United States of America ni Europe ni China na omo virus no aheti omo the more no omo na omo fa vaccine na Africans no ye hia ba kakra me pese me ne eche ewa ha sei eni se na medi kan ye no ebinom adwen ye omo se adenti na omba be test vaccine no ewo African. So but I just want to make it clear to obi a o hwe me eni se vaccine no enye before nkwa na ewo megidisa brofo no so ewo bi, and the one from Pfizer and the one from Moderna no abrofo no before ni nyina na ewo enti neba ni say na I say we are flooding the internet with that particular comments. Africans yenye ready for their vaccine because some person eliminate the African community, and I say bibisa. I told somebody say if these people you may not agree with me, but if say abrofo no plan say they want to eliminate us, I believe say they can just do so at the twinkling of at the twinkling of an eye. They can do so easily. Until say be as some person immunity, and maybe not through this vaccine, and I say bibisa. The vaccine is out there and people are taking it. It's not only Africans or even the African community who are only taking it. The black folks are also taking it. The white folks are also taking it. So everybody is taking it. Say be how will you know say the only Africans different, and I say theories ni say unravel. But the what I want to share with you is when you take the vaccine currently, the black folks are taking it and the white folks are also taking it. So everybody is taking it, and it's not only the people of Africa and Kwana Mbabe taking. Another way I'm a person mechanic say if Africans even at all we are not taking the vaccine, I believe say there is no need for us to go, just rampaging on the internet. Now we are not taking the vaccine. Abasa na kwa say we are making so much noise on the internet about the vaccine. Nobody is forcing anybody to take the vaccine, and I believe you know that because the vaccine is not compulsory as at the time ye ka yedi enkomo yi omunye ne compulsory into no bie ni ho ba be chiw ese bra kwasi anase bra kwa me bra ne fa vaccine no nye dan enwo. It's an optional decision, but sene be ya unsusu ubetimi take informed decision no me gidi say there are so many information out there, and it's getting people much confused. Even they are getting more confused than even having the coronavirus itself. But believe you me, I think the best thing we can do is we should also set time, have an ample time, and then we should read around, because the information is out there. Every information that we need about the vaccine. This time around, the vaccine now, it's not like say they are taking coronavirus as the virus, and they injecting the virus, into your system for you to develop immunity to the vaccine. mRNA, messenger mRNA, and almost develop it, and then they inject it into your muscle, and then it goes into the vein, and then a cody amount antibodies are immediately fighting the coronavirus if you get it. And one we say even when you take the vaccine, it doesn't mean say be a virus, no. Ubetimi virus no nemo the effectiveness of the virus, and as a virus no onya to me body no so those sicknesses na ba say onya vaccine na impact na benya wo so no. Enti say owo vaccine na which say even at all when you come in contact with the coronavirus, that impact also to senia that is how the vaccine works. Instead of say be making noise on the internet, say young vaccine and say for I believe say there are much information out there, and before we say all those things, we should read around, familiarize ourselves with the information we can make informed decision rather than listening to those theories out there, because I believe say those theories is making us much confused than even taking the vaccine. Who say encrophobia FYC campaign against the vaccine. Say video ni bi. So video who say show inscription a woman no just encrophobia FYC campaign against the vaccines. But it is your personal decision whether to take it or not. And I believe say the African leaders should also, make information available to the people. Now, let's know what went into the development of the vaccine so that we can make an informed decision rather than sitting back and just listening to what people are saying. Probably whatever they are saying, might not be true. And so we will fall for those information, and then we will stay away from the vaccine, or we will take the vaccine. Either way, we say be anenye yankasa your personal decision mum something and I say ubi we say na I force yen amaya take vaccine. So I believe say we should spend time, read around, get information about the vaccine so we can make an informed decision. Another theory me person me sign enu share and also no get and crofo so much confused this biblical theory because a binomo your margin says would vaccine and nature say waje the mark of the beast your friend on 666. I don't want to go into details, but me person me chire a Christopher say if said they are looking at this vaccine and compare it with the mark of the beast, they should go back and read their Bible. Where as Christians, say you can your Bible ni and son they are liking vaccine to the mark of the beast because you can Bible ni the mark of the beast it's a mark, it's not a vaccine. And your vaccine being a deba bow and son ya mark of the beast and your chip will be any deba be show mu any mark of the beast you say it's a mark, inscription. It is an inscription on your skin or on your forehead. So what you say, internet is a mark. And I send you obi cheche mun say mark na no mo kan say the bebo o mo maso na. Nature so mo maso no, it depends on how you think. Internet say odwen no say your brain is here. Internet odwen no eno internet de mark no ebo mo maso na say wo hwe won sa na won san so na wo de ye obi bia into the coordination between won sa na wo de ya de no ene adwen na wo de dwen no eno internet the mark of the beast ni de bebo won sa ho ene wa adwen ho. Internet eye vaccine ene de wo but enye a friend is a mark be any day mount and I say and yeah obi so can say how about say it be not because the Bible speaks in proverb it may be an Bible na can say a mark but invariably it just a mark as a mark but a beba in the form of the vaccine and also see another discussion I bet to me I hold but I dare back Miss person no can say that whatever they are going to give you it's a vaccine and it's not a mark or it's not a chip and I dare back also a Christopher say Yehuni say mark of the beast a bar and dear obi a better kill now or the amount because say who take it the mark of the beast now you swear an allegiance. So what I say it is any o pow unyame o pow no na wakwakodi obonsama ye de ben echi ntininya dia obabe etrike it is a conscious thing na who make say who take and say who take it so ka say who like to the vaccine and I say vaccine no ye dey tricky but with the mark of the beast me did say it is something that you make consciously say we be take and I say unteki na uteki and it say you know where you stand and as a one taking so then you know where you stand but like Christopher Crown say me did say during the time of the mark of the beast ne be true ho no na say we tree ni pa dia it say mark of the beast ne time no was as so say no and to ebedru ho no na say we tree ni pa ampa ne say heaven wo ho a and say wo heaven ni bi na say enye mark of the beast ni crown ama meto e wo asasi so abade ba ko so ye hu ni say the vaccine no determine say we Christian and I say we be bisa me gidi say obeko heaven a enye vaccine na obeteki no de be mo akọ heaven and I say e be mo akọ hell na momo no your faith e wo onyame a osum no mu no ene be determine say obeko heaven and I say wonko heaven enti theories ni de eye bebre but me gidi say say you read it around you familiarize your home with the information out there so we can make an informed decision enti na busuan kakra ene me so no KC network Cyprus me wo ene wo eche eno no is about the vaccine me gidi say asma me can a very controversial at the mount enti no say de bia me kan adwen wo hoi eni ba akofo trimenti no wo adwen bi say wo pese wo kire wo e wo video section no I mean comment section ho na obi obekan no so no no so enyemu emphasis. So let's keep the education going so that we can make an informed decision. Also make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. It is KC Network. And going forward, we'll be soliciting views from people who are in the health field and more like for knowledge kakra so that we share on the channel. Intini make sure say obe subscribe send ye share information be announce so no when you be ashare. Intina busia and then ye debesi I say na until I come your way again. Mediani Cyprus. Continue to stay safe.